Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a free website with the help of AI powered tool. So in this video we will use AI tool called Replit.com. In Replit you can create website or apps. It's not totally free, but it's give you some credit to create website or apps. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and type Replit. First of all, sign up for free. Set your username and your full name and click continue. So here you can select personal project because I am using my own project, and here you can describe if you are a developer, product manager, setup founder, or etc. So I will click developer because I am a developer, and here you can select if you want to create website or landing page, and here you can select YouTube because I am hearing about Replit from YouTube. Here the pricing of Replit, so you can select starter free because I am using first time, so I click free. Continue with starter. Now we have successfully logged into our Replit account. So first of all, paste here prompt, go to ChatGPT and ask for sending a prompt like I am creating a high converting booking landing page, etc. Okay, copy this prompt and paste it here and click start designing. It will take 2 to 3 minutes and create a website for you. Now it's working on our project. Now it is adding feature in our website. Here you can see it's working. It is not totally free, it is some plans, and in free plans you can create up to 3 to 4 websites for free. Here is the final look of our website. So you can see it is all managed in well. Main heading, color, background image, even booking page. Everything is managed in professional. Testimonials and footer, everything. I have already created 2 websites. I will show you. And first one is my own portfolio. I have created for saving your time. Here is my portfolio. I have created my services, featured project. It is totally free, so you can create website for yourself and for your client. Contact page. If you want to change any section or any button color or any text, so simply here give him prompt like I want to change main heading color. It will quickly change. Here you can see it is change color from blue to green. I hope this video find you well. If you want to create website, simply contact me. I am a WordPress developer, because Replit is not a fully functional. It works on prompt. Hit the like button and subscribe.